Check it out, everybody. Check it out. This is my 3 cheese macaroni, fresh mozzarella on top. Oh yeah, check it out. Then make some cabbage. Then I want some little corn, butter corn. With it, black pepper, check it out. Then I got my good old neck bone going good. Good old neck bone going looking all good. Good meat on them bones. Oh yeah, check it out. Neck bone going. Then I got some good old oven baked pork chops going on. Them baked, now lid off. Let's suck up some of that juice. Check out that plate. Check out this macaroni, y'all. Show you the cheese is sucker. Look at all that cheese. Oh yeah. See that? It's cheese. See that? Oh yeah. Cheesy. Kids ready for that. Good old cabbage. Check it out, check it out. Oh, it's opening up like a volcano. Probably gotta put some barbecue sauce on the neck, on them pork chops. Kiddos, they gonna put barbecue sauce on it anyway. Chicken with again. Oh, and I'm gonna, you know me, I gotta fry me up a couple of them bad boys up. I'm saying, oh yeah, I'm gonna have to fry me up a couple of them bad boys. Get the grease nice and hot. Oh yeah, it's going down. Let's see. Hook them bad boys up, fry them, and then I fry and bake, and got some neck bone going. So yeah, check it out. I gotta cook for 2 days, hopefully 3, cause these kids can eat. Oh yeah, and then I get to sit down somewhere. You dig? Okay, check it out. Check it out. I don't want that. Ooh, cheesy. Look, still got the cheese on it. It's cheese. Oh yeah. Check it out. Leg bone. Whole chop almost ready. I already seen it. Check it out. Baked pork chop. Got a little Italian dressing. Some little ranch season pack. Can't tell you the rest. You gotta check me out. Alright, everybody. Peace out and God bless.